Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So this is the correction to relationship between degrees, minutes, and seconds. So in this video, we want to look at the corrections to the 5 questions on the quiz that we set, and you'll be able to see where you are making mistake and how you can correct that mistake for future purpose. So that is the sense of this. So you need to pay attention to some things there that will reveal in this video. So let's get started with the first one. The first question is change 40 degrees 32 minutes to degrees and decimal of degree. So that means you want to change everything to degrees, because what we have here is we have degrees and minutes. So one apostrophe means minutes. So if it is 2, that will be seconds. All right. I hope I'm making sense. So in this case, we want to change this. So we are changing it to degrees and decimal of degrees. So as you can see, the 40 degrees, this is 40 degrees. But the second one is 32 minutes. So which means we are changing 32 minutes. So we want to change it to what? To degrees. So how do we do that? That's what we want to check. Now don't forget the fact that we said that 60 minutes, 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Right. Now since this is minutes here, this is minutes. So we want to change this to degree. In that case, that means we are moving from smaller unit to bigger unit. So in that case, we're going to divide. So that means we have 32 divided by what? 60 will give us so you can use calculator. So that is 32 divided by 60, that gives us 0.53333 to continue like that. But the question asks us to decimals of degree. You can see it's in decimal. So in that case, that means this will be 40.53 degrees. So 40.53 degrees. That is the answer here. I hope this is very clear. You must have seen your mistake here now. All right, let's go to the second question. So the second question is the opposite of the first one. So this one asks us to convert 24.675 degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds, because this one is in degrees and decimals of degrees. So we want to convert it to minutes and seconds. So what we're going to do is what we have, the whole number part there, the whole number part, which is 24, is in degree. So it is decimal now that we're going to change to minutes and seconds. So the first thing, the next, this plus 0.675 degrees, right? So we're now going to change 0.675 degrees to minutes. So before the first change it to minutes. Now don't forget, 60, when we were changing from minutes to degree, we divided, right? But now we're changing from degrees to minutes. We're going to multiply. So since 60 minutes equals to 1 degree. So in that case, for us to change this to minutes, we're going to multiply by 60. That will be 0.675 multiplied by 60. I've explained this in the lecture video. So when you multiply this, we're going to have this 0.675 multiplied by 60. That gives us 40.5 minutes. So 40.5 minutes. So what we're going to do now is that 24 is there, is part of the degree. So this will then be what? 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Then this decimal part of the minutes will be changed to what? To seconds. So the same way, that will be 0.5 multiplied by 60 degrees. So which is 0.5 multiplied by 60 degrees. That will give us what? 30 seconds. So in that case, this will be 30 seconds. So that is 24 degrees, 40 minutes, and 30 seconds. So that will be the last option here is the answer. I hope this is very clear to you. All right, so we'll move to the third one. The third one is still the same thing. So with the same process. So what we're going to do now, that means our answer, the first one will be what? 33 degrees. All right. 33 degrees is there. So it is now 0.3091 that I want to change. So we'll now change this one to minutes. So that means we're going to multiply by 60. So multiply this one by 60. All right. So that will be 0.3091 multiplied by 60. So that gives us 18.546. So the whole part there is the minutes. That will be 18 minutes. Then we also change 0.546 to seconds. That will multiply by 60. So that will be 0.546 multiplied by 60 degree. So that gives us 32.76. So which is approximately 33. So this would then be 33 seconds. So 33 degrees, 18 minutes, 33 seconds. So this will become the answer. I hope this is clear. All right, so we will look at the next one, which is question number 4. Question 4 right now. So number 4 is on addition of this. So we're going to add this together now and see what we're going to have. So that is 7 degrees. So what is going to happen here is that you make sure you place degree under degrees, minutes under minutes, then seconds under what? Seconds. So without doing that, you're going to miss it. So in that case, we have 7 degrees, 43 minutes, then 38 seconds. So the next one is 12 degrees, 72 minutes, then 48 seconds. Now we add this together. Now, don't forget, 60 minutes, 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Then 60 minutes equals to what? 1 degrees. So anytime you add, and you now get a value that is above 60, so you just subtract 60 from it and move it to the next one. So look at this now. We have 38 and 40. You are not going to add it 8 plus 8 and 3 plus. No. You are not going to do that. If you do that, you're going to miss it. So what you are going to do is just bring out this. You bring this out, these two out. Multiply it separately. So this is going to give you. So multiply separately. So that's going to be 38 plus 48. So this gives 16, that gives 86. You can see that 86 is more than 60. So which means what we have here, we have 1 minute there. So we remove the 1 minute, which is 60. This will remain what? 26. So we write 26 down. Then this 60 that we subtracted from it should become 1 here. Because 60 seconds will make what? Give us 1 minute. So it is this one that we're going to add together. 1 plus 43, that will be 43. Plus 1 plus 43, that's 44. Plus 72. Plus 72, that's going to give us 116. 116 as well is more than 60. Is more than 60 minutes. So that means we have 1 degree there. So in that means we are going to say 116 minus 60 degrees. So this will give us 6 and this will give us what? 5. So what we are going to have there is going to be what? 56 minutes. This is seconds. So the one we subtracted, this 60 we subtract will come in. So that will be 8. 8 plus 12, that gives us what? 20 degrees. So which means the answer will be 20 degrees, 56 minutes, then 26 what? Seconds. So that means the answer is option C here. I hope this is very clear. So 20 degrees, 56 minutes, 26 seconds. So please take note. Watch it and listen to the instruction very well, so that subsequently you not make mistake again in your workings. So the last question we have here is on subtraction. So the same thing we're going to do here. That is going to have 165 degrees, 54 minutes, then 17 seconds, minus 110 degrees, 57 minutes, and then 28 seconds. Okay, we're going to subtract here. So what you notice that it's not possible for us to subtract 28 from 17. So we have to take from 54 and add it to this. So that means we're going to take 1 here. So this will remain 53 minutes. So the one we are taking here will become 60 here, because 1 minute is called 60 seconds. So we add 60 seconds to 17. So that gives us 7. I hope I'm making sense. So we can then subtract 28 from it. That's 28 from this one. So this is going to give us 9. Then this remains 6. That's going to go 49. So this will be what? 49 seconds. From here, we should know that the answer is between A and B. All right. So then we subtract 53 from 57. It's not possible. We have to take from this one again. So this will remain 164 degrees. Then the one we are taking from it becomes 60 minutes. So that means we are saying 60 plus 53. That is 3 and that is 11. So 11 minus 57 now. 11 minus 57. So this is going to give us, that is 0, 1, and this will give us 6. All right. So this, we take 1 here, then become 10 here. That gives us what? 5. So this will give us 56. All right. I hope I'm making sense. So this gives us 56 minutes. Then the last one, 4 minus 0, that is 4. 6 minus 1, that is 5. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we have 54 degrees, 56 minutes, 49 seconds. I hope this is very clear. So this will become the answer, option B. So that is that on this video. I hope you find this video useful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell for you to get further videos that I'm going to produce. So bye for now.